Welcome to another tutorial. When I run this project, I get this error. So I'm going to check it what's the error is. So just click on this and it will take you to the error. The error is r.id.vv. vv caption not found. So get here and just remove these two attributes. We don't require captions for now, so just remove them and let's run the project again and see what happens. So when I run the project and click on one item and it stops working, and in order to troubleshoot this issue, go to run window and just click on this play.on, create line number 20. Some error is in this file. First of all, just go to build.gradle file and change this one to this one, your library to this one. So how I got this? Actually, what we have done is that we have added new version of this library, but this project uses the previous version of this library. So in order to do that, what I did, I set just their sample project, and in their sample project, let's go to better video player folder from here and then build.gradle file, and you can find it here, spinkit 1.1.0. copy this and paste in here and sync the project. Alright, I have already done this. So next, go to your player activity and change this to uri.from file and create a new file, pass the get path. But one thing I found, I have done a mistake while I was adding the data to my array list, that if I go to my video class, first is the title, but I have passed it the path. Alright, so title is being switched by the path. So we need to just make it the second attribute, the second argument, and this one the first argument. As you might have noticed when we have displayed our videos in a list, that there was path in the place of title, so that was the reason. After doing this, play.set autoplay true. Next, what we need to do is go to onStarted method and type in if player.is playing. Then what we need to do is player.start and player.set hide controls on play false. Also, we have to do set some of attributes here. Player dot enable controls, enable swipe gestures, player dot set hide control on play false, player dot show controls, player dot enable controls. Alright, it's asking me to sync, so I'm going to sync it. almost done now. So now run the project and see the output. Project is going to launch. It's launched and now I'm going to play one of them. So I clicked on it and you can hear the sound of it. But one problem is still there, that it hanged a bit. Maybe my handset, my cell is hanged the player, so I'm going to check that. Sorry boys, I've done a mistake. That I need to do this is in on prepared method. When it gets prepared, I need to start that. Alright, so I have done that in on started callback method. So that was the mistake actually. So let's run it again and see what happens. In the meanwhile, I'm going to explain what the hell is going on here. So first of all, we have set up the layout. Next we initialize the player. Then we are getting the position in the array list, which video we want to play, and then we are setting the callbacks. Callbacks are kind of methods that on some event occurrence they are automatically called. For example, when the someone hits the pause button, this method will be called. When the video gets started, this method will be called, and when the video is paused, this method is called. This helps us to customize our functionality, that if we want to do some event on paused, then we can do that here, and when it is preparing we can do something like that. We can show some progress bar or something like that. So that's for that. And on video completion we can play the next video. That's why these are here. On toggle controls we can do something. So these are actually the callbacks. This is basically the control. We can control the player from here, from these methods. So next I'm going to check the player is launched successfully, and Alhamdulillah, it is launched rightly. It is working perfectly all right, and you can see the music, and it's working perfectly all right. So that's it for this video. In the next video I will be showing you how to add next and previous buttons. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next